No branches, no borders, just pie. Alright, let's talk about money. We all want it. We all need it. But let's be real. The system is kinda broken. It's slow. It's clunky. It's controlled by guys in suits, who probably still think MySpace is a good investment. But what if I told you there's a new way? A better way? Imagine a bank that fits in your pocket, one that works anywhere on the planet. Imagine no stuffy branches with sad-looking plants. That's the promise of the Pi wallet. Your bank. No branches, no borders, just Pi. It's not just a catchphrase, it's a mission statement for a financial revolution on your phone. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about taking back control. Your Pi wallet is your bank. Let's get one thing straight. Traditional banks are like the blockbuster video of finance. They had a good run, they served a purpose. But the model is stuck in the 20th century. Open an account, go to a branch, fill out forms, prove you're worthy, on banker's hours. Need to deposit after 5? Sorry, come back tomorrow. A physical system with archaic rules in a digital world. You initiate a transfer. Your bank talks to another bank, then a clearinghouse, then another bank. Everyone takes a slice and adds days. It's Pony Express in the age of email. Borders that don't need to exist. Forms, conversions, and exorbitant fees. Billions are underbanked, excluded by distance, documentation, or minimum balances. Banks can freeze accounts, limit withdrawals, and monitor every transaction. We've accepted it so long we forgot to ask, is there a better way? Now, the upgrade. The iPhone to the banking world's flip phone. The Pi wallet isn't a digital copy of a bank account, it's a reimagined wallet. Forget branches, forget borders. Your Pi wallet works the same in Tokyo, in Toronto, in Timbuktu. Most profound difference: control. With the Pi wallet, you are the bank. It's non-custodial. You, and only you, have access to your funds. No CEO, no board, no manager to lock you out. Not even the developers or a government can touch funds without your key. It can feel scary at first, like driving alone, but it's incredibly empowering. The chain of middlemen? Gone. With Pi, transactions are peer-to-peer, nearly instant and low cost. Pay a designer in the Philippines in seconds. Split dinner instantly. A shop in Nigeria accepts payment from Brazil. No hefty fees. It's not just a wallet. It's a passport to a new financial world. An app to hold, send, and receive Pi. Everyday money for everyday people. If there are no banks, who protects your money? Math and the blockchain. Think of it as a global public digital ledger copied to thousands of computers. To change it, a hacker would need to alter thousands at once. Impossible in practice. Once recorded, it's permanent, transparent, and tamper-proof. No more bank oopsies. The blockchain is the source of truth. You broadcast a transaction. The network verifies it. It's added forever. Banks rely on hackable central servers. Pi's network is a distributed cryptographic fortress. Your money has never been safer. Security by consensus, not by vaults and guards. If the blockchain is the vault, your passphrase is the key. A cryptographically generated phrase, mathematically tied to your wallet, and only yours. Not a password you invent. Forget fluffy 123. It gives you the power to access your Pi and sign transactions. The core team doesn't store it. Lose it, and it's gone. That's true ownership. Losing your passphrase is like burying gold and losing the map. Write it down. Store it offline. Consider a safe deposit box or engraved metal. Don't screenshot it. Don't leave it in a text file. If someone steals your phone without your passphrase, your Pi is safe. Your wallet is a window. Control lives in the passphrase. This responsibility is the price of freedom, and it's worth it. The tech is cool, the security is top-notch, but how do you use Pi day to day? At a market, scan the vendor's QR, enter the amount, tap send, seconds later, done. No cash, no laggy terminals, just peer-to-peer value. Pay a designer abroad, paste address, set amount, send, full payment, almost instant. Creators get paid directly, no galleries or auction house cuts. Pioneers already barter goods and services for Pi. Seeds of a circular economy. As more shops integrate the Pi Commerce SDK, utility explodes, from your morning latte to your next vacation, inside a secure, decentralized global network. Practical, instant, borderless. Fast tech is nice. The real change is a power shift. Finance was a top-down pyramid. Pi shatters it into a network of equals. 1.4 billion adults are unbanked. A smartphone leapfrogs branches and bureaucracy. Banks know everything. With Pi, your identity isn't public unless you choose. Empowerment, accessibility, privacy. It restores dignity. You should have the final say over your economic life. Your wealth can't be devalued overnight by printing. Your account can't be frozen on a whim. You're not locked out because of where you were born. It's a big financial deal, changing who gets to have power. Pi's journey is a multi-stage rocket, and we're at the exciting part. We're in enclosed mainnet. Chain is live, protected by a firewall. KYC'd pioneers migrate Pi, transact with each other, and with ecosystem apps. This phase builds foundations, utilities across games, social, marketplaces, and finance. A real-world stress test, so when the firewall drops, we're ready. Open Mainnet connects Pi to the world, integrations and exchange listings. Value grows with utility. More apps, services, games, more reasons to use Pi. Pioneers use apps, developers build apps, businesses accept Pi. Everyone builds the future. This isn't a spectator sport. Everyone has a role preparing for the open network. We've gone on a journey. The old financial system is a clunky, exclusive club. The Pi wallet offers a decentralized, borderless path that puts you in control. We've broken down the blockchain and demystified the passphrase. Pay anything, anywhere in seconds. This is the reality millions are building every day. A quiet revolution with a loud impact. Choose ownership over dependency, empowerment over permission, community over institutions. The Pi network is a bet on the collective. The tools are in our hands. The network grows stronger. The vision gets clearer. Ahead, open mainnet and beyond, creation and participation. Educate, build, and use apps that give Pi utility. This is the moment of transition. So, are you ready?